Welcome. Today, I will help you go from this to this. But before we start, I want to say thank you for 30 subscribers. If you have any tutorial requests, all you have to do is like and comment it down below, and I'll do my best to get it done. Also, if you're looking forward to becoming a better editor or to see new tutorial content from me, subscribe. I upload around every Wednesday or once every 2 weeks. Without further delay, let's get started. I forgot to add this while recording, but make sure you add tiles to both duplicates and put it on mirror. Get your clip and duplicate it. After, press on your duplicate and go to Effects. Go to Drawing and Edge and select Edge Glow. Choose the standard setting. Set threshold to 1. Here, you can change the color how you like, but I won't be doing that here because I have my own methods of doing so. Exit out and click on Blending. Go down to Difference and select Difference. Now head back over to Edge Glow and copy the settings. But a heads up, the way you tweak the settings depends on how you want the clip to look. Like for example, if you want the background to be more visible, you should adjust the threshold and put it down some. When you're done adjusting, exit out, select the original clip, and take away the first 2 milliseconds, then drag it over to be aligned with the copy. Go over to the end and take away some of the copy's length to align it with the original clip. And basically, literally, with a hint of bass, you're done. And if you want, you can also go to Blending and Overlays and change Difference to Subtract, a darker minimal detail version. I'd recommend using this one for certain edits, if not all low-key, though it would most likely be dark like it is here, but there's ways to brighten it up. If you have any questions about anything, let me know in the comments and I'll answer right away if I'm not busy or asleep. And if you found this helpful, please like. And if you want to help me reach 100 subscribers, then please subscribe. Thank you for choosing to watch.